So today we're going to be unboxing the 2017 Nintendo Switch. So right off the bat, I love this package design. I feel like the colors and contrast work really well. I'm familiar with graphic designing, but I'm also a huge fan when it comes to marketing and print design. Simple and clean always wins. Let's go in the box. You're going to find the Joy-Cons, manual, also the Switch tablet itself. Below, you'll find the Joy-Con straps, HDMI cable, the Switch dock, Joy-Con grip, and the AC adapter. Here are some pros and cons about the Switch. The Switch is a fun gaming device you and friends will enjoy. The ability to switch from handheld to TV is a great feature. The Joy-Con takes some time getting used to. The battery dies a little too quick, and if not done perfectly, you can damage the screen using the dock. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, as well as the Switch if you're getting one. Please let me know down below what you think about the Switch.